In the 1920s, while the motor world hurried towards noise, smoke, and mass production, a different idea waited in the margins.
In the night, we glow so bright.
The Doble Steam Car promised a smoother future, silent at rest, swift when called upon, and strikingly free of the familiar gearbox that defined most early cars. At a time when motoring was still rough-edged and experimental, it offered a vision of refinement that seemed almost out of step with its age.
Hear your heart, a love inside.
Its heart was a flash boiler, a device designed to raise steam rapidly and make power available almost at once. In theory, the result was elegant. There was no clatter of gears hunting for the right ratio, no need to coax a combustion engine into its most efficient range, and no uneven surge of power as the car gathered speed. The steam car could, in principle, arrive at 60 miles an hour in seconds, and do so with an unusual calm, as though speed itself had become effortless. For a brief moment, it appeared to belong less to the mechanical compromises of the early 20th century than to a future not yet ready to exist. That promise was not merely technical, it was cultural. The Doble suggested that motoring need not be noisy, greasy, and mechanically brash. It implied that performance and elegance might coexist, and that a car could be both powerful and restrained. In an era when many vehicles announced their exertions to the whole neighborhood, the steam car's silence felt almost radical. Even its method of operation hinted at a more civilized relationship between machine and driver, one based on steadiness rather than fuss. Yet promise alone does not determine history. The steam car arrived at a moment when the internal combustion engine was becoming the industrial standard. Petrol was available, factories were optimized for it, and the wider market was being shaped not only by engineering, but by finance, supply chains, and habit. A cleaner, faster alternative could not win merely by being clever. It needed infrastructure, affordability, and trust, and those advantages were gathering around the petrol car instead. The Doble also carried a burden of complexity. Steam technology demanded precision, patience, and understanding from both maker and driver. Boilers had to be made and maintained to exacting standards. Systems had to heat quickly, seal properly, and operate reliably under pressure. This was advanced engineering, but it was not simple engineering. In an age increasingly ruled by scale, repetition, and ease of manufacture, sophistication could become a weakness. A machine that was remarkable in the hands of experts could still fail to survive in the hands of an industry that wanted abundance, not exception. There was also the matter of time. The Doble needed careful preparation, a level of technical familiarity, and a tolerance for complication that ran against the direction of mass motoring. The public was being taught to expect cars that started readily, required less thought, and could be serviced in ever more standardized ways. Even if the steam car impressed those who encountered it, it belonged to a line of development that asked more of the user than the market was becoming willing to give. The lost blueprints do more than preserve a curiosity. They expose a turning point. They suggest that the dominance of the petrol car was not inevitable, but secured through a mixture of economics, convenience, and commercial power.